Right, good morning there YouTube, and how are you? I hope that you're doing very, very well. Okay, so we're going to get straight into this one, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing of this. And essentially what this is the Rii RT-MWK10 mini keyboard. It's a Bluetooth keyboard, and I purchased it on eBay for about £11. So after the intro, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at that, get it unboxed, and see what we make of that. So that's coming up on today's show.
Get strong.
Okay, so we've got the mini keyboard here. I can't turn the packaging over because there still might be some personal details on there. But what we're going to do is we're just going to bust this open. And that looks like it's come apart quite nicely to reveal what looks like the box. Let's just get this out of its wrapping. And yeah, there's the box, there's the keyboard. It's a second-hand unit, but there we are. So we'll just have a quick look at this and see what we make of it with the packaging. So let's just spin it round so we can see it. So at the very top, we've got some decals here. It says it's compatible with Windows, Mac and Linux. So this is pretty much everything that you will encounter in terms of operating systems. It'll also work with the Xbox 360 and PlayStation 3. At the time of making this video, it would, and at the time of making, well, when this was made, it might work with a PlayStation 4, and it might also work with other consoles as well. But I don't have any consoles to test that on. Now it also says that it will work with a set-top box, an HD player, and for smartphones. So if we just have a quick look at that. Now, the packaging just goes on to read, mini keyboard, world's most mini wireless keyboard mouse presenter combo, specific multimedia, remote control and touchpad presenter function, handheld keyboard. And then of course it looks like what you have here is a Rii genuine certificate there on the box. Now RII do that quite a lot on their products because I've got quite a few Rii products, and for some reason they have a habit of doing that. So we'll have a closer look at that. Not too bad. Then at the bottom of the box it just says real internet input with your will to create. And then of course there are some features here. So wireless connection, smart and portable size, to enjoy PC multimedia, entertainment at home, convenient and efficient for conference, presentation and lecturing, large pad for handwrite. Okay, and then obviously it just says the support iPad, Mac OS, mobile phone, mobile internet devices, PC with Windows OS, Mac, Linux and PS3, and then there is the model number there. And then, of course, if we just turn this over onto the back, we can have a quick look at this. So it just says specific multimedia, remote control and touchpad presenter function, handheld keyboard. No punctuation in there. Portable and elegant lifestyle choice, built-in rechargeable, more staying power lithium-ion battery. The world's first touchpad 90-degree flip design. perfect control PC smartphone entertainment features. So that's all there. And then there's just a bunch of small print there, and that's it. So what we'll do is we'll just get this guy out of the packaging and we'll go from there. Okay, so just zoomed out a little bit. So let's undo the packaging carefully. Even though this has been opened before, it's a second-hand unit. So let's just slide the whole thing out. And we'll retain the packaging as usual, just in case this ever needs to go back or ever I want to put the thing away. Now on the back, there's what looks like either some sort of connect or reset button there. That's pushable. And then there's a slide off thing here which says receiver inside. Now there is no receiver there, which is unfortunate. So I don't know what's happened with that. It might still be in the box. Ah, there it is. So we've got the receiver, there's no problems there. So what I was actually going to do is test this thing. Pardon me. I was actually going to test this to see if it works on a TV. So what I want to do first of all is check that there is, well, it doesn't look like there's any power in this. So we might actually have to charge this up. I'm not sure what that button is for on the back. I think it might be for the laser actually. But there's no power in this. So what I'm going to realistically have to do is come back when we've got some power in this. But I'll make more than likely a separate video. This was just the unboxing of the device. So what I'll have to do is, as I said, I'm going to put that receiver away actually so that doesn't become lost. So let's just get the receiver put away. If it indeed will even fit. It should do. Yeah, there we go. So the receiver's put away. And what I'll do is I'm going to charge this up and then we'll test it on a bunch of devices in an up-and-coming video. So that just brings us to the end of the unboxing video here. Just a short one on the Rii Model RT-MWK10, which is written on the box there. And yeah, as I said, this was just the unboxing of that. So it'll be interesting once we've got some charge into this, whether it would actually work on a smart TV as well, because my particular unit, well, it's actually more of a monitor than anything, because I don't really watch TV. But anywho, that's not the reason why you called. The reason why you called was for the unboxing, and then obviously we're going to test this on a variety of devices. So for now, take care, wishing you all of the very best. Like, comment, share and subscribe as always, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. So stay good, wishing you all the very best again, and see you soon. Bye.